Hi everybody. I am going to show you how to enter data in Google Sheet that you can then analyze in JASP. And this is data for a factorial ANOVA. So if you are doing option 2 for the data collection assignment, this is what it would look like. So I've entered the data in here already, and I've got 4 variables. First one is I'm just calling ID, and that just indicates each case that you have. So you can do that. I do that with all my data sets just to keep track of whose data it is. You don't have to, you're not going to analyze it, but that's what this is. It would be like the participant's ID or the student ID. This is my first independent variable. It is the country in which the participants reside. So you've got 4 people from the United States, 4 from Mexico, 4 from Cambodia. And this is the school level that the kids are in. I got 2 in elementary and 2 in high school from each of the 3 countries. And you can see I didn't use numbers to indicate the different levels or labels here. In Excel, you can use the actual label. And I recommend that you do, because that's what shows up in JASP and it's easier to analyze that way. And then this is my dependent variable measured on a continuous or categorical scale. It is how much you like pizza on a scale from 1 to 10. So this is all made up data, but this is what it looks like. All right, so you've got your data entered in an Excel spreadsheet, and then you can go and open up JASP. Okay. Now, going back to the Excel spreadsheet, once your data is all entered, you need to save it as a CVS file. And so you go to this file menu in the Google spreadsheet. You go to download, and you go down to CSV, comma separated values, and just click on that. It'll download the file here, and now it is ready to be uploaded into JASP. So you go to JASP, you go over here, and you go open, and you go to computer. I'm going to go to downloads because I just downloaded that file. And data enter factorial ANOVA, sheet 1 is there, and I open it up, and it looks just like my Google Sheet. That's the Google Sheet. That's what it looks like when it is in JASP. So that's how you enter data into an Excel sheet and then upload it so that you can analyze it in JASP.